Hello, everybody. Welcome to your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Thursday, March 20th, 2025. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day and glad you're tuned with us for your TF headlines. We start with the deadlines for the spring election. Want to remind you of our election. It is ongoing here. Across the state of Wisconsin, voters can register for voting with proof of insurance at the City Hall and can do so here through the spring election. Also, we want to remind you of absentee voting as well. In-person absentee voting is happening at the city of Fitchburg, and we want to make sure that you can make it down here for that at your convenience. And you've already finished for today, the Thursday, but the rest of it goes as followed. Tomorrow, the 21st, you'll have 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Next week, March 24th through the 27th, you'll have 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And then March 28th is the last day to vote in-person absentee. That's 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Any additional questions, you can contact our clerk's department or check our website at fitchburgwi.gov for more information. Hey, sign up for Notify Me to stay up to date on what's happening in the city of Fitchburg. Sign up for Notify Me, on the city's website, to stay informed. You can choose from topics that interest you, and we'll send you those updates just the way you prefer. It's a simple way to keep track of meetings, events, construction projects, and more. Notify Me is right on the main page of our website, and you choose the categories that you want to get notified about, or all of them, as I do, and you can stay up to date on what's going on. We share all those here on Fact TV, but you can get those personally delivered right to your email to stay up, and we appreciate everybody who does follow us there through the Notify Me component through our website. Mini food pantry is set up at the Fitchburg Public Library. As a reminder, if you haven't checked this out, the library is collaborating with the River Food Pantry to offer a mini food pantry that contains shelf-stable box and canned foods. The pantry is located on the first floor between the vending machines and the public copier and printer. The library is not accepting donations, though, for the food pantry. Mindfulness and Meditation. This is an event coming up with our Fitchburg Recreation Department. It's going to be on Monday, April 7th. If you feel tired, stuck, or weighed down or stressed, are you looking for a creative, positive way to change your life? Invest yourself in today by registering for an introductory to mindfulness and meditation 4-week workshop. We'll explore breath work, belief systems, self-talk, group energy, and more. All group participants will receive a special rate for an optional 1-hour private session as well. If you can sign up for this mindfulness and meditation seminars, it's going to be April 7th kickoff from 7 to 8 p.m. And then again, that 4-week session will continue during that time. Go to our website, fitchburgwi.gov, and you can sign up through the recreation page there to get involved. All right, Mind Over Matter workshop at the Fitchburg Senior Center. This is going to be if you have issues with bladder or bowel control. You're not alone. More than half of women age 50 and older experience urine or bowel leakage sometimes. Mind Over Matter, a healthy bowel workshop, is designed to give women the tools they need to take control of their symptoms. Scientific studies show that attending this workshop reduces, even cures symptoms for many women. If you don't have leakage symptoms now, it's never too early to think about it and your bladder and bowel health. Mind Over Matter, Healthy Bowels, Healthy Bladder is a 3-session workshop for senior women that including group activities and simple exercise you can do at home. Join us for the Mind Over Matter at the Fitchburg Senior Center from 1 to 3 p.m. on May 6th, the 20th, and June 3rd. You must register by April 28th by calling 608-270-4290 or visit our programs website. That's fscprograms.com to get signed up. Suggested donation is $15 for the class materials. If you can donate and be a part of it, it'd be great. Finally, it is Conserve Water with Fix a Leak Week, and today we're going to be talking about faucet leaks and shower head leaks. Oh yeah, those are a mess, aren't they? Faucet washers and gaskets are the things that frequently leak, and you need to replace them. Did you even know you need to replace them? It can take just a few seconds for a bunch of drops to come out, like 3,000 gallons worth a year. That amount of water is like 180 showers. So get that replaced. And shower heads, 10 trips per minute can equal up to 500 gallons of water every year. So change those shower heads out as well. Have a great week, everybody.